This small town is Aledo, Texas, and it's a beautiful part of the state. It's rolling hills. I mean, it's big, wide open sky, very, very safe, very low crime. Oh my God, that's a sound! What is that thing? I've never seen a bird like that before. It's got the biggest tail. It's so fancy.
It's a grackle.
A grackle? I have a new favorite bird, Dan. There are these amazing birds everywhere with these huge tails. I'd never seen a grackle before today. Just down the hill here, on the other side of the train tracks, is the high school here in Aledo. And their football field is gorgeous. And they've won the most state championships out of all the schools in Texas. This is where the winners come from. In doing my research to come here to Aledo, I found out that one of my family's most beloved friends, Bill Paxton, is from here. And he was a very good friend of my husband's, a very proud Texan. And they met doing a mini-series about Sam Houston and the early years of the legendary law enforcement group, the Texas Rangers. And so my education on the Texas Rangers came from Bill himself. And so to be here in Bill's hometown and to see the high school that he went to for a couple years and to remember his storytelling about this group, it's cool. All right, fella, these things are wild. Just love them. I want them to come home with me. George would love a grackle. Grackles. I love Texas.